Thanks so much for coming back to the Ceaira Crew channel. I have a guest with me today. This is Christina. And
hey guys,
we're doing another room reveal. If you love these room reveals and have been enjoying this channel, go ahead and subscribe down below. Click that button. Oh yeah, and punch it. Just
punch that subscribe.
Christina and about her room, and I'm super excited to show you guys. Christina has like renovated a ton of the house and it looks beautiful. It's like my dream house.
It's also exhausting. So that's when so we got through most of our house. We did like the main living area. We have a pretty small house. We did the main living area and I got to the hallway, and after the hallway I was just like done. My creative juices were completely exhausted. And Ceaira at that time was working on her daughter's room, and so I was like, hey, do you want to finish my house for me?
And I was like, yes! So there's a king, 2 bedside tables, and like walk space around the room, and that's pretty much it. I'm sure that there's lots of people that have sort of smaller bedrooms where that might be your master. So I think this is super fun. The idea was to kind of make it luxe, but still young.
This guest room, I was wanting it to be something a little more exciting because the rest of the house is like pretty plain Jane. And a guest room isn't something that will turn off like a potential buyer. I was super excited for Ceaira, who came with like super unique and original ideas. She said because there's just such limited space in the room, storage was a big issue. There's like a pretty decent sized walk-in closet, but aside from that, there's nothing. And so you'll see she was super creative with the storage and was able to like tie it seamlessly in with the design, so you don't even notice that it's storage really. I feel like it just is kind of like part of the design, yeah.
With a small space, you have to think vertical. You want the person to be focusing on what's up instead of the fact that you have like a crawl space around the bed. I was inspired by what she said her favorite designer was. Her favorite designer is Kelly Wearstler. I always want to say Wearstler. Isn't it W-E-A-R?
Yeah, I don't actually know if I'm saying it.
I don't either, but Kelly, and she's obviously a fantastic oh my gosh. Our bubble. She's a fantastic world-known designer.
You'll see there's like some pretty unique swirls going on one side of the wall. And I was pretty hesitant at first. Again, she did pull from some other ideas, so I knew it was possible, but even then I was kind of like, and like as you were painting, I was like, oh, we have extra white. But I really love it. It is super unique, which I think is really hard to find in interior design. I feel like Instagram just perpetuates itself, so you see the same thing over and over and over again.
Right.
But I feel like it like truly is unique. Like I haven't seen it anywhere.
She is super creative. She already told you she did her whole like entryway kitchen, all of the hard work that went into that, but she got bored during quarantine and is making these awesome athletic clothes.
Oh yeah, definitely check us out, Steen_athlete. Should we take a look?
Here it is. Here's the room before. It's tan and brown and pretty ugly. This is the wall that I imagined with some shelf units and an abstract art piece to the left. We went ahead and taped where we wanted the shelves so we could kind of envision, and then painted the 2/3 of the wall green to turn it then into Okay, babe. Come on in. What do you think?
Whoa, that's actually really cool.
You like it?
Yeah. So I haven't seen the room in progress,
Right.
but I've seen a lot of the inspirational pictures and stuff like that. But it was definitely hard for me to visualize, how it would look in the end. And that's pretty cool.
I really
like
like it.
it.
Thanks.
But especially as you walk in and this wall just hits you. First thing you see, bam. It's yeah, this is a cool room. The lights are cool. It's not a very big room, but it feels kind of fancy, kind of hotel-y almost, but in a comfortable way.
Yeah. That was very much what we were going for. Kind of luxe, but also more fresh.
Yeah. Luxe but fresh. That was synonyms to what I was saying.
Exactly. That's why I'm agreeing with you. The board that's right next to the shelves, but
Yes, that is so cool. I really like that. I can't imagine it without it. Especially with the wooden shelves. Even though they're not natural wood, it still ties it in together, and it just gives it that separation that it needs.
yeah,
And the gold trim, good stuff.
I loved how that turned out.
Good job, babe.
Thank you seriously so much for giving me the opportunity
Oh my gosh,
to do this
thank you.
room. Yes! We did it. It took a hot minute. We DIY'd the wall. We DIY'd the wall separation board. I DIY'd some wall art. We did it! Woohoo! Woo, woo. Which room reveal have you liked the most? Did you like Hannah's the most? Did you like Rosalie's the most? Did you like the Bates bedroom the most? Tell me. Tell me in the comments below and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye guys!